AI agents are everywhere right now, but most of them take hours or even days to set up. What if I told you there's a platform where you can build multiple AI agents, each with their own personality and knowledge, in less than 5 minutes, and deploy them on your website or even in Slack or WhatsApp? Welcome to AgentX. And in this video, we're breaking down what makes it different and if it's actually worth your time. So AgentX is a no-code AI agent creation platform that lets you design, train, and deploy chatbots or assistants with powerful reasoning and multi-agent workflows. Think of it as your own AI team where each agent can handle different tasks: customer support, lead generation, scheduling, or even content creation. But is AgentX just hype, or is it the real deal? Let's find out. But before we begin, let's see what users are saying about AgentX. So AgentX has just one official Trustpilot review with a 3.7 by 5 score based on one user experience. Here's what the reviewer said. AgentX is one of my favorite AI tools. The UI is intuitive and the support team is very responsive. That's positive but limited. So we've also checked other platforms. Featurepedia gives it 5 out of 5 from verified users, and Product Hunt ratings are uniformly perfect. AI Chief even grades it A+. Overall, in short, early user feedback is highly positive, but more data points would boost confidence. Now, I'll break down the core features of AgentX one by one. So let's talk about how ridiculously easy it is to create your first agent in AgentX. First, head over to your workspace, click on New, and then choose Single Agent from the options. This takes you to the agent builder where everything is laid out in a clean step-by-step format. You'll start by setting up the general settings. Give your agent a name, choose its personality icon, and pick a model like OpenAI GPT 4.1 Mini or others depending on your plan. Then adjust the creativity level to control how logical versus imaginative the responses should be. You can also customize the greeting message, which is what users will see first when the agent says hello. You've got up to 300 characters to make it warm, professional, or quirky. It's up to you. Below that, you'll find agent skills. Think of these as abilities like Web Tool for browsing or Extract Text for pulling info from the files. You can mix and match these skills depending on your use case. You can even enable voice mode, letting the agent handle phone and voice chat, super useful for virtual receptionists or support bots. Next comes the knowledge section, where you upload the agent's brain. This is where you give it context using documents, URLs, or even a quick knowledge snippet. You can upload PDFs from your local files or Google Drive, and for every 5,000 characters, it costs 1 credit, so no credits wasted on blank pages. Once you've set all this up, hit Create Agent, and just like that, you've got a fully functioning AI agent ready to serve. All right, now that we've created the agent, now let's jump into feature number 2. Next up, let's talk about creating a workforce in AgentX. This is where you combine multiple agents to work together like a mini AI team. Just like before, head over to your workspace and click New, but this time select Workforce instead of a single agent. You'll land on this canvas-style layout. Go ahead and click on Create Your Workforce. Think of this screen as your AI command center. You're about to assign roles and form relationships between multiple agents. You'll now get a pop-up where you can choose up to 10 agents from this workforce. You can toggle between My Agents and Basic Agents and search through pre-built models like GPT 4.1, Image Generator, and more. Here I'm selecting an Image Generator and GPT 4.1 Mini agent. Each of these can take on unique roles within your workflow once added. They'll appear on the canvas. Now you can assign delegate instructions to each agent, basically telling them what their job is within the team. Maybe your GPT agent handles all incoming customer queries, while the image generator creates visuals for marketing responses and automated teamwork. You can also assign a manager agent, connect agents together, and define how they collaborate. This makes it super flexible for multi-step workflows like lead capture, data analysis, email generation. So that wraps up feature number 2, workforce creation. Now let's move on to feature number 3. Now this time, instead of choosing an agent or workforce manually, let's use AgentX's Auto Chatbot Builder, an insanely fast way to spin up a custom website assistant. After you click New and then Chatbot, the first step is simple. Name your assistant and optionally choose an avatar, whether you go with something professional like Superbot or perky like Pixel Pal, or simply let AgentX assign you one. So click on this icon and it will assign you one. This is your chance to give your bot some character. Now drop in your website URL. AgentX will scan your site and start building your assistant's brain in real time. You'll see the platform analyzing your content, recognizing your branding, and even understanding your business tone and goals. This part is fully automated and usually finishes within seconds. Once done, AgentX will pre-fill your chatbot's industry tone and site description, which you can tweak before continuing. This is perfect if you want to generate a tailored assistant without writing prompts or uploading documents yourself. Next up, you can enable lead collection, choose what info to ask like name and email, and AgentX will instantly notify you every time a visitor submits it. It even integrates with CRMs like HubSpot, Salesforce, Zapier, and Wix to sync leads in real time. And finally, you'll land on deployment screen. From here, you can hook your chatbot up to Discord, Slack, WhatsApp, and soon even Instagram. This means your assistant isn't just stuck on your site, it's ready to follow your customer across platforms. That wraps up feature number 3, chatbot creation from website. Coming up next, who AgentX is really for and what use cases it shines in. So who exactly should consider AgentX? Startups and small businesses that need fast customer support, e-commerce owners looking for automated lead capture and 24/7 chat, agencies who want to create white-labeled bots for clients, internal teams for HR, IT support, or onboarding workflows. Basically, if you've ever thought, I wish I had a virtual assistant that could handle the boring stuff, this is your answer. No tool is perfect, and AgentX has a few areas where it could improve. For example, while the free plan is great for testing, it would be nice to have clearer pricing tiers for larger teams. Some advanced API integrations still require a bit of manual setup, so it's not entirely plug and play for complex enterprise needs. And I'd love to see more avatar customization for the chat widget so it feels more personal. AgentX also supports API access, which means you can plug its AI brain into your own app or CRM. They also have an affiliate program, so if you love the tool and refer others, you can earn commissions. It's a nice little bonus. To sum it up, AgentX is one of the fastest and most intuitive AI agent builders out there. It's incredibly beginner-friendly, supports multi-agent workflows, and saves you hours of manual work with its integrations and analytics. The minor cons like limited avatar options or slightly complex custom setups don't outweigh the benefits. If you're a business owner or creator, yes, it's worth trying. If you want to test AgentX for yourself, hit the link in description and set your first agent. It really takes 5 minutes. So that's the end of today's review. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful reviews. I'll see you in the next video.